Hey everybody, Scott here from SchoolSocialWork.net, and I'm coming to you with a sneak peek of SWAA's School Social Work Resource Library. So we're going to jump right into the tool in a couple of minutes here, but I wanted to first share a little bit of background. So the School Social Work Resource Library is a SWA's newest membership benefit. They're going to be offering it to Premier members, but they're going to be also opening the doors for regular members and student members to trial for the remainder of the school year. So the project started several months ago, and SWA sought out to develop a collection of resources that were quality, vetted, um, in a platform that was easy to navigate and allow you to quickly find what you're looking for, and also provide the ability for users to rate and discuss how they're using those resources in their practice. So a lot of ambitious goals, but I'm pretty excited with the developments of the project and where they've taken it. So let's jump right in. So this is the dashboard for the School Social Work Resource Library, and this is what you're going to first see when you log into the platform. And on the right-hand side, you're going to see the resources organized by different collections, and on the left-hand side, you're going to see the libraries and filters. So from the dashboard, you can actually customize this view, which is really neat. So right now, I've got recently added enabled, so I can see all the resources that were recently added. But I can also add things like things that were recently updated or things that I recently viewed, and even items that I've favorited, which is really, really handy. From the left-hand side, we're going to see the different libraries within the School Social Work Resource Library, as well as the filters. So if we click on organization, we're going to see that SWA has created a number of folders to organize the different resources that are available on the platform. So clicking on one of these titles is going to bring up the resources that are available in that folder. And the filters are going to be able to allow you to narrow down the results so that you can quickly find what you're looking for, which is really, really handy. So once there are, potentially 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000 resources in here, it's going to be really a lot to kind of have to sift through. And this is where filters come in. So within the filters, you can display only the ones that you've favorited. You can filter out um, resources based on the user rating, which is really cool. Content type, so whether it's a video or a link or an article, the file format, and even who uploaded, when it was uploaded, any potential tags. All right, so if I click on this, it's going to restrict the results. So this is really, really handy, especially as the resource library grows to be able to find what you're looking for. Now, the other really neat thing here is the search, and they have a really powerful search. Um, so I can search for a general term, SEL, and actually what's neat is it starts to populate some different resources here before I even do the search. And let's say I get a ton of results, right? So I can also use those filters when I'm searching. So I can search SEL, but I'm looking for um, something a little bit more specific, right? So SEL, but maybe I only want an SEL intervention. So really, really handy. Once you see a resource that seems interesting to you, you're going to be provided with a little bit of information about it. And there's going to be a short description here, and you're going to see the tags that were assigned to the particular resource. And clicking on the resource name, you're going to be taken to a new view of that particular resource. And you're going to see a little bit more about the description. And if it's a link, you're going to see a link. If it's a document, I'll show you another view of that in a second. You'll actually see the document here that you'll be able to print or download. And on the right-hand side, you're going to be able to see the user rating. So, or add your rating if it's something that you've used and it's something that you like. If you want to add to the discussion, you'll be able to post comments, and you'll also be able to see connections, which will be anything that is linked to this particular resource, or recommendations, which would be related resources as well. So if you see something here and you think that that's interesting, you'll also find some other things here that might relate to that resource and be something else you're interested in as well. So I want to show you a document view, and we're going to look at this social history update, for example. And so we'll be able to actually get a preview of the document, which is really, really handy. And if we want to download it, there's a little menu button here. We could favorite it, and we can download it to our desktop, or we can print it directly from here. So a lot of really great stuff here that I think makes this platform extremely valuable and a really useful tool for your practice. So overall, the School Social Work Resource Library is a really promising tool, and I'm really excited by the features that they're releasing with it. And we've only covered a couple of them here. So if you're interested in learning more, SSWAA is actually going to be holding a webinar on March 2nd at 1 p.m. to go into more details about the tool. And if you found this video helpful and you want to see more content like this, be sure to follow us on social media or subscribe to our email newsletter.